Thank you for listening to the Real Estate Voice podcast. I'm Vernon R.E. Jones, managing broker, owner of Jones Homes, and for over 30 years we have serviced the 7-county Denver metro area. Today we're going to talk about the CFPB. What is the CFPB? It's basically the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It's an independent agency of the United States government established to protect consumers in the financial sector. Its mission includes overseeing financial institutions, such as banks and lenders, ensuring they adhere to fair practices, and providing consumers with the information and tools needed to make informed financial decisions. The CFPB was created by the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act in response to the 2007-2008 financial crisis, aiming to prevent unfair, deceptive, or abusive practices in the financial industry. I mentioned who they are because I wanted to talk about a case that was going on in Chicago. Basically, a federal judge in Chicago rejected a request by the CFPB to vacate its $105,000 settlement of redlining charges brought against the mortgage lender, Townstone Financial. What was redlining? Redlining is a discriminatory practice that systematically denies financial services, such as mortgages and insurance, to residents of certain areas based on their race or ethnicity. This practice is illegal and has historically targeted neighborhoods with significant racial and ethnic minorities. I will continue on to talk about what happened in the case. Is that, again, the judge rejected CFPB's, keep in mind, this is a settlement that was already done, but the settlement followed a protracted litigation that began in 2020 under the first Trump administration and concluded last November under the Biden administration. The CFPB claimed Townstone actually discouraged potential mortgage applicants because of their race or their racial composition of where they lived or sought to live between 2014 and 2017. However, this March, the CFPB had an abrupt reversal and basically said that Townstone was not doing anything illegal and that they set out to destroy the company based solely on perceived racial disparities in mortgage application and origination statistics. Perceived disparity, basically over the 3 years, Townstone had 31 applications from majority minority areas and 876 total applications in a 3-year period. My guess is that's in the low single digits. The agency also noted the company was allegedly targeted for hosting a radio show that discussed local crime, political issues around freedom of speech, supporting law enforcement, and telling people to check out a neighborhood before buying a home. The CFPB added there was no evidence that potential Townstone customers found the radio show's contents offensive or discriminatory. And the reality is the judge basically said, no, the disparity of 31 applications out of 876 is a strict disparity. And they're going to let that settlement stand. I would tell you, whether you're independent, Democrat, or Republican, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is there to protect you. And it is not based on what party or political party you're affiliated with. I would always caution you, if you have a complaint, first talk with the lender who you did it with. If you do not get any redress from them, you can go to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and they are www.consumerfinance.gov, and you can file a complaint there. So understand, they are there to protect all Americans, and we need to make sure they are doing their job, not based on any political agendas, but based on facts in a court of law. Thank you for listening to the Real Estate Boys podcast. This is Vernon R.E. Jones. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 303-359-8218. Thank you, and please be safe.